Alright, ni hao, Sifu Kairesh. How are you all doing? Today I'm going to show you how can you say thank you and you're welcome in Mandarin. I understand there are many ways. Shall I just show you all the ways or not? So we have thanks and thank you, which is called 谢谢 and 谢谢你. Get your phone ready, get into your Telegram, open a Telegram group, add somebody, remove that person, and let's get started. Let me show you how it's done. All right, so now we are in our Telegram group. So this is what I want you to do. So I'm going to write down thanks and thank you. Okay, so thanks in Mandarin is called 谢谢, but I'm going to show you how to pronounce and speak. Okay, so we have XIE. This is the one. XIE. This is the one. That's it. So 谢谢. So if you see thank you, that means there's a U element coming in. So you say 谢谢你. All right. So you have 谢谢你. So now, how do you say you're welcome? So you're welcome, this is what you do. Okay. In English, you say you're welcome. But of course, in Mandarin, you say not to mention or don't need to mention. So this is what you do. So I shall show you both, which is called don't need to mention, and not to mention. So the difference between don't need to mention and not to mention is only with one phrase, which is called 不用. So learn this word, take note on this word called 不用. 不用 is no need. Excuse me, you don't need to come. You don't need to do this. You don't need. So that word. So what is don't need? So don't need in Mandarin is called 不用. I'll go slow. 不用. 不用. So of course 不用 is no need. So what is there to mention? You say 客气. Keqi. 不用客气. Hey, Sifu, slow down a bit. Okay, slow down for you. BUYONG, 不用, and then KE, and then we have QI. 不用客气, right? So 不用客气. So this is one way. There is another way of telling not to mention. You say 不用, and then you bring in 谢 in,谢谢. Just do this. XIE. 不用谢. That's it. So we have 不用客气 and 不用谢. So both has the same meaning called no need to mention. So now, if you go down to not to mention, it is the same thing, you just remove the yong. You get the answer, which is called 不. The first one is called 不客气. So can you see? 不客气. Or you can also say 不谢. BUXIE. Where is it? It's not here. BU, 不, and then XIE. 不谢. Can you see? This is how you get it done. So we have thank you, thanks and thank you, 谢谢你, and then don't need to mention, don't need is called 不用. So you say 不用客气, or you can tell 不谢. Sorry, 不用谢. All right, and then not to mention, there are two ways. It is called 不客气 and 不谢. So the key takeaway here is 不用. 不用 is don't need. So now, I want you to see, since now you have seen all these words here, I want you to comment below on what you have written, what you have learned. All right, so we have 谢谢你, comment below, and then repeat exactly what I've told you. 不用客气, 不用谢, 不客气, and 不谢. You write it down in the comment below, then I will see whether it's right or wrong. So I can be able to help you. So whenever you're making any mistakes, I will be there to help you. Why Mandarin is very easy. Sifu is here. All right, don't have to worry about it. And comment. Let's get started learning Mandarin using your phone. All right. So 3 things you have to do. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. All right. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel and hit the little ring button on top. All right. So hope you enjoyed this lesson. 谢谢你，再见。